Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to review the tags that others have added to your post on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the menu button down below in the right side corner, then tap on settings at the top, and then scroll down to audience and visibility, and then click on profile and tagging. Scroll down to tagging or reviewing, and here you can see the review tags that friends add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. You can enable this feature by simply tapping on this button on the right side of the screen. Once it turns to blue, it means that it has been turned on. So if anyone who is not your friend adds a tag to your post, you'll be asked to review it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.